Hello everyone, this is Isnya and this is the day 4. Let's learn English with me. I want to improve my English daily. If you are also want to improve your English, so go to the comment section and write the one sentence in English daily. This process is improving your English. Okay. So today I want to talk about the topic is say no to plastic. 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 First of all, I ask some question for you and to listen carefully. Do you eat food? Of course. Do you drink water? Yes. Do you take oxygen? Of course. I ask a question because this topic is directly connected to these things. These things means life. We can say that this topic is directly connected to our life. So, today's topic is the say no to plastic. Everyone knows about that. Plastic is very harmful to our environment, but I think most of the people doesn't aware. But still, people used it because people does not aware at that time, and still people used it because the second reason is that plastic is so cheap, light, and it is easily available for everywhere. You can see the plastics everywhere in your home, in your country, in your state, in your world. You can see the plastics very easily. You know what, plastic is a big issue for every country because plastic is the main things to pollute our environment. So, and I tell some facts about the plastics, and if you listen carefully, so this is a very shocking fact. So first fact is that plastic is used only for 15 to 20 minutes, but it stays on 100 to 200 years. And plastics gives the comfort for our daily life, but in the futures it creates a discomfort of our life. So we can say that plastic useful for minutes but harmful for years. That's a very important line if you listen carefully. Plastic useful minutes but harmful for years. And one of the different facts, if you listen it, this was also a very shocking. This is also a very shocking. That is, plastic does not disappear. Plastic, it is broken into small microplastics, and microplastics enters our food, water, and air. So plastic come back to us. That is also important, and then it come back to us. So creates a many diseases and spreading many diseases that affects our life directly. So that is the best time to restrict the plastics at that time. And so this is the very important, and let us say some of the solution of the this topic, that is to use the cloth bags, you to use the other materials things in the place of the plastics. Most of the important is the plastic bags. As soon as possible, to decrease the uses of the plastic at that time, and use the jute bags, use the cloth bags. That is also very helpful to our environment. This steps, I know about that, this is a small steps, this is a small habits, but I think I already said that habits change our future, habits change our life. So I think that's a very big step if you can change this. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for support. Thanks for giving motivations, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.